Okay, that circle chapter. Did you all understand whoever attended yesterday? Circles that caught things, students. Remaining one or two we'll do for revision. Mostly on Sunday we'll revise that again. Then we'll do another one or two extra question. We'll start revision now. Okay, banking question. We'll do two banking question. So today banking and linear inequation. And tomorrow we'll revise trigonometry. No, GST Saturday. Okay, today is Thursday or Friday. Today is Thursday. So make a note, students. I'll explain banking. Fine. You all revise questions. I'll explain the concept banking and question. So today class will be for 1.5 hours. Today, tomorrow, and Saturday I'll take 3-4 classes. Fine. Today these are the topics for revision. Yes. Okay. Those who want see it's just revision students. Those who have other class, you all can leave at 8. I'll send the recording. You'll have to complete. Is it clear? So class will be up to 8:30 or 8:40 today. 1 hour 30 minutes or 40 minutes. So these are the chapters. If you all are thorough with this, you all can leave in 8 o'clock or after that. And tomorrow I'll be making you all. I mean, we'll revise trigonometry and circles. Same. It might be for 2 hours or 1.5 hour. Friday. Then Saturday. What are the other concepts left? Shares and dividend. No, this is the revision. GST. Okay. And Saturday for batch 2. For batch 2, I'll teach height and distance. Just basic students. I can't cover everything. If not, I'll skip. You all can study this height and distance. So we'll complete all this. I'll conduct a test and Sunday we'll revise GST. These are the chapters you'll have, right? Uh, Trigonometry is lengthy. So along with trigonometry, tomorrow we'll revise shares and dividend. And Saturday, yeah, make a note of the students, all of you. See, I'm not going to solve all the question. I'm just explaining the topic, one or two questions. Okay, you all have to prepare. Fine. Even revision is also. I mean, we can't revise everything, so we don't have time. And you will have school tomorrow. Okay, Monday is your test. Why didn't they give holiday? Along with Max, what else you'll have? They made it compulsory. Okay, usually they give holiday. Anyways, shares and dividend. Make a note of this Saturday class. The class will start at 9:30 to 11 a.m. Okay, next it will be from Be quick, students. We have to start. Make a note of this. Even Sunday also I take. So 3:30 to 5:30. Okay, we need at least 2 to 3 hours for circle and GST. Because GST from beginning I'll teach. And heights and distance. So this class will be from only for batch 2 students. Those who had missed, those who joined late. Okay, those who miss height, it will be from 6 to 8. So there's no other option. You'll have to attend classes. Back to back classes will be there and Sunday. Sunday usually what time you'll come from church? Shall we start at 11:30? See, Sunday it depends. I'll be taking from 11 to 1 and doubt session. If you'll have any doubts, you can get it clarified. Up to 7 or 8 is also fine, students. 7, 8. Okay. So Saturday and Sunday, you'll have continuous classes. Fine. So mm, batch for batch 1, the test will be conducted from 6:30. 6:30 to 8:30. Okay. I'll let you know. I'll let you know about the test. It will be conducted on Saturday. Yes. Fine. Those who want can attend, students. No problem. Those who cannot attend. Okay, fine. No problem. But you'll have to study on your own. Is it fine? Because there's no other option. See, Monday you'll have your test. Those who can't attend, no problem. You can go through the recording. See, all these classes, I'll send the recording. Okay. Even today's class, tomorrow's class also. Just make a note of the timing. So if you have any other subject, just tell the other teachers you'll have max on Monday and prepare for max. Is it clear? Did you understand? No, no, no. This is for both, for all the students. Yes, 9:30 to 11 a.m. One class, 1.5 hour. Then again 3:30 to 5:30. Even Sunday. See, Sunday I told you all. See, batch 2 students. Saturday for batch 2 is extra because heights and distance I have to teach. And one more thing, test. I'll tell you the timing. Even test will be conducted on Saturday for both batch 1 and batch 2. And Sunday we'll start doubt session. Those who have any doubts, and I'll be discussing the paper, test paper. Okay, if you'll have any doubts, I'll be discussing the test whatever I conducted on Saturday. Okay, because Saturday by the time you all complete and send, if I have time I'll correct it, students. If not, Sunday we'll just discuss the paper. Okay, so that's the reason I asked Sunday what time can you all attend? See, some students, so maximum at least by 12 I have to start, students, Sunday. Okay, make a note of this, 12 to 1:30, then 4 p.m. to 6 p.m. This is for Sunday. Okay. 12 to 1:30, 4 to 6, or I'll take up to 7, up to 8. It goes on. Even if you have doubt, up to 9 is also fine. So Saturday, Sunday, there is no limit, students. If you'll have any doubts or back-to-back classes, I'll conduct. I'll just share the screenshot later. You'll understood this, right? Whatever I've written. I'll send the screenshot later. Send it later. We'll start with banking. Tell me the two formulas in banking. What we have? Interest is equal to 2 into 12. So you'll have three types of questions here. One to find I, one to find P, N, R, and maturity value MV. MV is equal to, what is MV? N plus. And one more thing, investment. If they ask you to find investment, just P into N, students. Make a note of this. See, already all might have the notes with you. Okay, so just go through this. Don't write anything. Shall we start solving? Okay, so today, for this banking, I'm not going to solve everything. Only N, students. Other things are easy. Only how to find time period. Okay, one question on that. The other question were only two specific questions. Principal. The principal, is it tough to find? Oh, okay. Fine, both. Let me take some tough questions. P for principal. See, we'll do one question where both are missing. Principal and mm, look here. Ninth and 10th question. You'll see the ninth one, all of you. Okay, ninth one I'll solve. 10th one you can try. Later you can solve from your textbook. Okay, just pick any principal question and try it. So look here. The Tanvi has an RD account in the finance company. What is N value? How do you convert? 2 ones are 2, 3 by 2. But this is number of years or month? Yes. So what you have to do? 3 by 2 into 12. This is where most of the students make mistake. You all don't multiply into 12. This is number of months, students. How many months? First part. Next, R is equals to 9. If she gets 1540 at the time of maturity, what is it? 426. How much per month? What do you mean by how much per month she has to invest? Usually what we invest? Every month what do we invest? We invest principal. How can you invest interest? Huh? What kind of answers you are giving, students? Bank will give us interest. Why will you invest the interest? Principal, right? See, Lima, this is revision. If you know, you should answer properly, Lima. If not, even others will get confused. Okay? So concentrate and answer, students. P, what is missing here? What do we need to find? P, what value is given? MV is given. So what did I tell you? Whenever MV is given, you use MV. Okay, fine. Now I'll teach. Nobody should answer. I'll teach. MV value is 15426. Principal, keep it as it is. N value is 18. Is I value given? See, I is also missing. So this type of question is important where both will be missing, principal and I. So keep this as it is. This is the first equation. Next, use I formula. 18 into 19 into R is 9, 2 into 12 into 100. In place of I, students, from here what is I value? 15426. P into 18 is how much? 18P, right? If it goes to the other side becomes, all of you will respond, yes, minus 18P. This is first equation. One more thing, if you all are writing now, if you're sitting and writing, you won't understand. When I'm teaching, don't write anything. If you're busy writing notes over here, it's of no use. So substitute this on the left hand side. Now you all can calculate. All of you will start calculating. Wait, let me show the question. Copy the question first, students. Just copy the question. You all copy the question, all of you? Yes, start solving. Find the value of P, students. I want you all to do. So don't give me the answer. If you have done, let me know. I'll do it next. This is a lengthy question, students. You'll get similar question with easy calculation. For board exam, usually you don't get lengthy question like this. So this is the toughest one. No, no. If you take other side, can you see minus is given rule? So how did you solve if you take it to the other side? No, no, it can't become like that because there is denominator, right? No, you can't do it like that. First, you have to reduce it. Okay, then can you see 400 will get multiplied? Okay, complete it till your students. You can't directly take. Okay, complete it till here. Shall I do it? See, if you do normal calculation, students, if you try to shift 400 other side, it is too lengthy. Okay, let me do it. All of you will stop writing. Till here, did you all complete? Look here now. See, root, you try to shift the values, right? Okay. So if minus 18 wasn't there, students, remember this. If this minus 18 wasn't there, then we could have shifted it. We could have written like this. 400 divided by 18 into 9 into like this. So then we could have cancelled everything, could have got p value. Okay, could have direct p. But whenever there is minus, students, minus 18p, you can't shift it. Fine. So you can't shift, you have to do calculation like this. Okay, I'll teach how to simplify this 400. Now look here, before shifting this, let us see if anything is common to them. 18 and 15426. Or do one thing, multiply this 400 students. If you multiply 400, it should get multiplied with both, like this. Now 400 into 15426, keep it as it is, minus 400 into 18. You get 7200p. Okay, now see, these two are p values. So keep this as it is. Minus goes to the other side. Seven seven one three p. If you want to find p students, which one gets divided? 7713. This 4, can I write 4 into 100? 15426 as it is. Remember, principal for such tough question, principal will always be in a whole number, not decimal. So try to divide this with this. So you can straight away try like this: 713 into 2, 7713 into 3. Try this. Tell me how many times it goes. This is how we'll have to solve. All of you multiplied into 2. What are we getting? 15 4 2. I can reduce 1s are 2s are. So P is equals to 800. So this is one of the toughest questions to find P students. You'll get other normal question. Okay, complete it. So all of you, can you see I didn't multiply this? If I had multiplied, calculation would have been tough, right? If I have multiplied and written, it is tough. Calculation will be tough. You can substitute. See, substitute in this equation, student. Can you see first equation? Substitute there, you'll get interest value. All of you completed? So let me see. Principal is 8,000. 8,000 or 800? 800. You can substitute. If they ask interest, students. Okay. If not, you can just ignore this. So interest is how much? 26. Next question. Okay, we'll do one time period question. Apart from that, interest rate, maturity value, you all try those, students. You all revise it on your own. Sixth question. Copy the sixth question. No, not the sixth one. Fifth question. What is given? Suresh has an RD account in the bank. He deposits how much, students? What is principal? And the bank pays interest. What is the rate? If he gets 1040 as what? Oh, no, no, sorry. Correct. Not maturity value. If he gets 1040 as what? As interest. At the time of maturity. Not 1040 as time. See, if they wouldn't have given this, then what will you take 1040 as? Yes. But here 1040 is interest. And one more thing, students. Remember, always interest will be less than principal. So can you see? Principal is 2000, interest is 1040. Okay, and one more thing, maturity value will be greater than principal. So how can we take 1040 as maturity value? It is not possible. So think before you all write the values. Any one mistake, entire answer will be wrong. Okay, so interest is 1040. What you have to find? N, total interest. So when interest is given, use interest formula. 2000 into n plus 1 into 8, 2 into 12 into 100. All of you know how to find n? Do you all remember? Okay, I'll give 5 minutes. You all try. Try in whichever method you all want. After that, I'll solve. Start solving it. Yeah, tell me, what's it out? No, no. First, you can reduce this. Can you? Yes. Two zeros. How many times it goes? Two ones are two. 10. What else can we reduce? Okay. Let me use 4 times table. 4 threes are and 4 twos are right. So what are the numbers you have in the numerator? N into, okay, shift 3 this side. 1040 into 3. And this side 20. Keep n into n plus 1 as it is, students. See, there are two methods. If your question is easy, I'll teach a direct concept. If not, long division. Reduce this, how many times it goes? 150. All of you got 156. See, now what do we need to find here, students? N, right? Long division method. Mostly they might give a easy question. I'll tell you how to find direct answer first. How to find N. Okay. So take 156 and factorize this. If you factorize into 2 times table, what do you get? 2 sevens are 14. Then 2 into and 39 into 1. Okay, next. 156 is equals to, when you open the bracket, what you'll get, student? N square plus n. This you have to arrange in terms of ax square plus bx plus c is equal to 0. So how do you arrange? See, n square right below this plus n value should be x. This 156 goes to the other side, becomes what? Is equal to 0. Okay, so yes. So when I'm teaching, you're not listening very well. Okay, fine. Let me do it. Wait, wait. Just a minute. Just a minute. So when I'm teaching something, you have to listen still. So tell me the value, Felicia. How did you do? Hmm. Okay, next. Hmm. What are the values left in numerator? First write it neatly like this. What is 5 fours are? Is it possible to multiply? Can I write like this? No. So I have to write 20 separately, right? Next. See, that is what I have done here. See, stop writing that, Felicia. Concentrate here. Stop writing. This is important part, students. I'm teaching here, you're still practicing there. Stop writing. Okay, now this, make a note of this formula. Ax square plus bx plus c. All of you will stop writing, students. Felicia, you understood calculation part? Okay, next. See, arrange it like this. Ax square plus bx plus c. This ax square is nothing but like this. An square plus bn plus c is equal to 0. Look here. N square plus n minus 156 is equal to 0. Now, you can use long division method for tough. If you get easy questions, 7 are 78, 2 into 39, 39 into 1. See, keep n square as it is. This middle, you have to split into two terms, students. 156 as it is. So, take 2 twos of 4 and 39 as it is. Which is greater, 39 or 4? 39. So, this plus you need to put here. Okay. When you multiply, you should get 156 minus 156. So, what should I put before 4? So that if you multiply, you should get, you should put minus. Okay, this is last year you learned factorization, student. This is factorization concept when there are three terms. Okay, look here. If I put minus here, the concept is hold on, if you add 39, n is 156. Oh, we're not getting the answer. Okay, once again, once you get this equation, then this is the general equation. Okay, then we use the formula n is equals to minus b plus minus square root of b square minus 4ac by 2. How did your ma'am teach? How did your teachers do this? We get 156, but if you subtract here, you should get 1n. Who was Deborah, right? Deborah, you should get 1 students, but we're not getting it. Okay, so your teacher would have taught you to split and solve, right? See, I want you all to respond. How did your ma'am do it? Then how did they do? Factorizing. So not all the questions you can use factorization, students, only limited. See, if you get question like this, factorization, you go through the notes. I'll teach you using this quadratic formula. Now just compare this. Look here, compare what is a value. A is equal to 1. Compare here. What is b and what is c? Minus 156. Make a note of this formula. So the meeting might end now. Fine. Just complete it till here. After break, I'll teach you how to solve. All of you will write this. Till here, have you all completed? Okay, I'll send you the link, students. First rejoin, then I'll give break. All of you will first rejoin. I'll end the meeting. I'll send you all the link. I'll give break now, Aarti. Just a minute. Let others join. Okay, can you all see the screen? All of you done till this part? Completed? Okay, take 10 minutes break. We'll continue after that. Yes, students, all of you online. Shall we continue? See, let us substitute this. Minus, okay, b. b is 1 plus minus b square is 1, 4 into, so minus c. If you multiply minus into minus plus, 4 6 are 24, 4 5 are 22. Okay, you get minus 1 plus minus. What is square root of 625? So n is equal to minus 1. See, we have two values here, plus and minus. Ignore the minus 1, take plus students. Square root of 625 is, so minus 1 plus 24 is 24 divided by 2. N is equal to how many years? Yes. N is always months. Don't write 12 years. 12 months, 1 year. This is how we calculate. Now if we'll complete it, we will do the next one. Yes, Kia. What's your question? You're thinking, okay. 26. Where 26? Ah, minus sign. There is minus, right? See, and one more thing, students. You'll know how to convert month into years, right? So mostly you'll get question like this, answer like this: 12 month, 24 month, 36 month. How much is 12 month? 1 year, 2 year, 3 years. Okay, so there is minus here. Mostly only these type of questions you get. No, no, no. See, if you take minus here, it becomes 25 by 2, right? Minus into minus is plus, 25 plus 1 is 26. Which is greater? 25 is greater. Will time period be in minus? No, no. Will time period be in minus? No. How can time period be in minus, students? It's not possible. Or sometimes if you get 13 months, how will you write? You can write 1 year. That's so this formulate is plus minus, but always take plus here. Always take plus and solve. That's why weekly test is important, students. If you're attending weekly test, those students will definitely be able to solve. Monthly once if you do one test, you would have forgotten the topic by now. Yeah, tell me. Fine, Kia. You can leave. Attend tomorrow. Yes, you can leave. So at least from next test, students, after the first unit, whenever I send test paper, try to complete and send it. So once you forget the topic, it is tough. Again from the beginning, you'll have to revise. All of you done? Completed? See, for reference, if you want, you can take one sum. Let me see time period. Can you see this ninth one? What is principal, students? Respond. What is principal? Shall we solve one more time period question? Will you all try this now? If she gets 5,550 as what? Interest. See, a question, just ignore the question. Take the data. These are the data. Start solving, students. Convert the equation in this form. Use the formula here. N is equal to minus B plus minus. Okay, I'll do one thing. Usually what do we take? Plus or minus? What did I tell you? So, but yeah, directly you can write plus here. Just keep plus. Start solving. And don't tell me the answer, students. Whoever has done, just let me know. Shall I solve? How many times it goes, students? All of you will respond. How many times it goes? Final answer. What's the final thing? What 1332? What are you answering? 5 2s are 10. So this, if you rearrange, students, n square plus n as it is, this goes to the other side, becomes negative 0. Look here, compare this. So in working column, write it below. N square plus n minus 1332 is equals to 0. What is A value? B. Yeah, if nothing is given, 1. C. Just be quick, make a note. A is 1, B is 1. So those who know factorization method, you can try factorization, students. But for board exam, definitely you should know this method, because normal factorization will not help. Minus into minus is plus. What's the answer? Do you all know the square root of 5329? Those who don't know, look here. I'll just quickly teach. See, this is square root questions, so long division method. Those who know long division can try. And there's only one option, you have to learn this. See, from right hand side, group 2 values. Take 53. Take the closest square to 53. 6 into 6 or 7 into 7, which is close to 53. 7 sevens are 49. Okay, 7 sevens are 49. First step. Then find the remainder. 4. Bring this 29 down. Then this 7, whatever you get, you have to add here. 7 plus 7 is 14. Now take 14 and multiply. If you do like this, you have to multiply here into 3. 14 into 4. Which one is close to 429, students? So we don't have to try 144 into 4. Out of 142 into 2, 143. Okay, let us take 143, which means you're supposed to put 3 here and 3 here. 143 into 3 is 429. Remainder 0. This is the answer. 73 is not the answer. That is the answer for square root. You get? What's the answer, students? Sorry. This is multiplication, right? What is 2 ones? I've written 21, not 21. See, I told you all. Yes, we'll get rounded. 3 years, 3 years. 36 months meaning 3 years. Is it clear? All of you understood? Make a note. And what about linear inequation, students? Do you have any doubts in linear inequation? Nobody has doubts, right? Okay. Be quick. I'll solve just one question. All of you done? Completed? Okay. So those who have doubt in this long division, students, for example, if you have like this, look, I'll quickly show you. So what's the first step you do? How many numbers you have to pair from reverse? 2. Okay. How do you solve this? Not 10. Amy, this is 0, 4 and 0, 4 are one pair. We have only one number. One left, right? Which is close to 1, students. Perfect square. 1 ones are 1. Remainder 0. Bring 0 and 4. Just a minute. We'll try 9810. Maximum will get less than 100. Okay, 9810. Okay, now tell me. This is one pair, 98. Which is close to 98 students? 9 square or 8 square? 9 square. Remainder. Bring this 10 down. Clear? Next step, what you do? 9 plus 9. Okay. Now, whatever number you multiply here, the same you have to write it here. So, always start with 5 students. Then 5 5s are 25. What are we getting? 925 is way less than 1710, right? Already saw the answer. Maybe random thought. Okay. No, no, 98. Sorry, not 01, not 10, 01 students. Okay, this is the question. So, what do you get when you multiply? So, how many times it was? 9 times. So, this is how you do long division method. Zero. Okay, even that is also fine. You can even think. No, no, but 01 was the question, Amy. I wrote it wrong. Okay. Anyways, way you taught is also fine. So you get -1 plus 99 by 2 students. So you can solve. Okay. This is how we do long division. Clear? Fine. Another 5 minutes. I'll just do one question. And last week I did one question. The main answer was wrong. I'll just explain that. Okay, linear inequation, you all practice students. Last question. I'll just solve this. Okay. So when you take LCM, so 2 should get multiplied with both. You get 4x minus 2. 3x minus 1x is 2x plus 7. What is x value? x belong to? Bhargavi, what is your doubt? X belongs to a real number. X belongs to real number. X is greater than how much, students? Next. 3 2s are 6. Which is 3x? And correct, 3x minus 1, 2x, right? 3x minus 1 is 2x. X is greater than minus. Okay, this one, the solution set was different, students. When I explained you all, I taught the wrong one. Look here. This is the answer you get. All of you will concentrate after this. Still here, everyone knows to solve. It is easy. How do I arrange this? Minus 0.5, arrow is facing this way. Next, greater than 4.5. And what is the solution set? X such that, copy this, 0.5, real number. Now the number line, I'll teach you how to find number line here. See, left hand side, x lies between which one? Minus 0.5, right? Okay, right hand side, can you see what is shown here? Greater than or equal to? Yeah, 4.5. So whenever there is greater than, students, okay, first tell me, how do you plot for this? When both are less than, how do you plot? So you'll respond. So I'll put minus 0.5, hollow circle, right? And for 4.5, dark circle. So this will be the answer for which one? When both are less, right? Is this clear? All of you understood? But when one is greater, students, look here, 4.5, one is less and the other one is greater. Whenever you get answer like this, the last time whatever I taught was wrong. See, your number line should be like this. We always give preference for the greater value. So just take 4.5, you just write 0, 1, or you can directly start with, just for reference, put minus 1, 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 4.5, 5, 6. Okay, so always take this value. Fine, only for greater than. Okay, because you can't start like this. See, you can't see, you can't draw it like last time I taught you like this, right? Remember I told you to continue from here. No, no, that is actually wrong. Okay, so the correct answer is whenever greater than equal to is given, start with greater than equal to. From here you'll connect the line. This is the answer. Don't start from 0.5. All of you make a note. No, no, it's not taken into consideration. The reason is, see, if you take minus 0.5, students, till here it continues, right? But whenever you draw hollow circle and dark circle, the line should be inside that, right? The line should be inside. But here the line is going away from it, outside. So you're not supposed to take 0.5. Whichever is greater, take that value. Greater than. Okay, what if it was greater than 4.5? How will you solve this question? Same thing. In 0.4.5, draw hollow circle or dark circle for greater than. Hollow circle, like this. Can you see the difference between these two? That's it. All can leave, students. If you have done, you all can leave. We'll continue tomorrow. Aarti, stay online. Aarti, stay online. Others can leave. All I feel completed.